Gracious good morning to all you traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, August 9th, 2011, and check this out. The S&P is up 1.9%, Dow's up 1.6%, NASDAQ up 1.9%. Huge bounce. Usually things that drop fast, which yesterday was carnage, a train wreck. It was just horrible, people jumping out of windows. And then you get this little snapback. But I'm not overly convinced that we're going to stay that way, and let me share with you why. Now, although in my YouTube channel text I did put that I went long at the close yesterday, and also in our chat room I talked about it, but I'm not a gambler, so I had my hedges on, which they're still on at this moment. But let me share with you what we see going on here. This is the Spider 60-minute. We're in this major down channel. You can see this here, big down channel, lower swing highs, lower swing lows, just a down channel or a downtrend. And what we have here is this big drop, 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 drop. We hit support. From that support, we bounced up. This is called a bear pullback to a falling 20 intraday moving average, which is a bad news. At this very moment, we're getting a doji or a spinning top reversal pattern. So after this little pullback, this is actually a very juicy short to the downside. And, we just had news come out saying that U.S. workers were less productive in the spring for the second quarter in a row. And it's a trend that doesn't bode well for future hiring for sure. And that can't be good for the markets. But we have the Fed coming out and talking about a rate decision at 2:15 Eastern. But I cannot see them do. I expect them to stay pat on that, stay the same. But this looks like a bear setup to me. However, I do have my longs going, but I am hedged. I'm not much of a gambler. I will like to be hedged. So I'll probably remain with my hedges until I'm convinced that this up leg wants to keep going higher. Because if we start making these new lows, I'm going to start peeling off those longs that I have, take those profits that I made overnight, and then hopefully make money to the downside. So it's a few things to think about. If you need a place where you feel like, if you need a place to team up with other traders because you feel like you're out there on an island by yourself, we do have a chat room and we invite you to it. It's free. Come join us and hang out. So take care and safe trading to you today.